Hello everyone! Welcome back to English Time! Today we will learn English sentences about things we do at home. Listen carefully and repeat after us. Let's start. I walk to school.
Repeat after me.
I walk to school.
I pack my bag.
Great job!
I pack my bag.
I draw a picture.
Say it with me. I draw a picture.
I complete my work.
I complete my work.
We are in class.
We are in class. I read a book.
I read a book.
I answer the question. I answer the question.
I write my name.
I write my name.
I listen to my teacher.
I listen to my teacher. I raise my hand.
I raise my hand.
See you in the next lesson. Thank you for learning with us.
Don't forget to practice your English.
See you next time. Bye-bye.